I will discuss LED, light emitting diode. It is a semiconductor device also known as PN junction diode. So what is PN junction diode? P type semiconductor and N type semiconductor forms in a single piece of semiconductors are known as P-N junction diode. It is consist of P-type semiconductor and N-type semiconductor, and it has two terminal, anode and cathode, and one junction are known as P-N junction diode. When P-N junction diode works as a conversion from electrical energy to the optical energy are known as LED, full form as a light emitting diode, because this type of diode work as a electrical energy to the optical energy in the form of photon. So LED is nothing. LED is a P-N junction diode. When P-N junction diode work in a forward wise, then depletion region is reduced and electron and hole recombine. We can see here, this is the P-N junction diode. Electrons and hole recombine each other and radiation of the photon are occur. So when electron and hole recombine, from the conduction, when electron goes to the valence band and recombine the hole and radiate the photon. So this is the P-N junction diode and works as a LED, light emitting diode. Always remember, LED works in a forward wise condition, means anode connected to the positive and cathode connected to the negative. We can see here, this is the symbolic representation of diode and this is the original representation of diode. This diode is positive, also known as anode, and negative, also known as cathode, and this is the low voltage device. Always remember, diode is a semiconductor device and works as a 1 voltage, maximum 5 voltage. So 1 voltage, 2 voltage, 3 voltage. We can see here, this is the circuit diagram of the LED. We can see here, this is a battery, positive terminal connected to the anode and negative terminal connected to the cathode. We can see here, this is the VI characteristics of the diode. We can see here 1 voltage, also known as infrared region, red region, orange and blue. These are the visible region and formation of light. We should know infrared region, there is no light, only electromagnetic spectrum are radiate by the semiconductor diode, because when electron and hole recombine each other and radiate photon in the form of infrared region are known as invisible region, but in case of red, green and yellow are known as visible region and light are formed. So this is the original representation of the LED, light emitting diode. It is a source of radiation, just like a electromagnetic spectrum, just like a sun. So LED is nothing. LED is a P-N junction diode and consists of semiconductor and made by a semiconductor. We can see here, these are the components of the LED or light emitting diode. So please, if you want to learn electronics and physics, you can watch my channel. My channel name is RQ Physics. If you are interested to understand what is physics, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 94125711702. These are the, we can see here, these are the light emitting diode. Other representations are available on my video. Once again I repeat, P-N junction diode is a semiconductor device just like this. This is also known as light emitting diode. It